What's up, Geek-Pantsers? It's Ken. Once again, another holiday has passed us. And once again, I got another amazing gift from Chris. Once again, he utilized the amazing talents of our fellow Geek-Pantser Jared to create this masterpiece. Let's take a look at this. Let's take a look at this Fastball Special. How incredible is this? All hand painted, 3D printed. You probably recall the Invincible that I received a couple years back, and I also received a Batman and Joker, which I will do one of these shorts of eventually. But just incredible detail in this. It's gorgeous. Brown and tan Wolverine, because Chris knows that is my favorite, but that's not all, because Jared also threw in a blue and yellow Wolverine. So I can switch it out whenever I want. Look at the detail on that. It's gorgeous. And if I want to switch it out, all you gotta do is grab this Wolvie and pop him off. Boom. Let's see. And try to get him back in there. Well, I'm holding my phone. There it is. Incredible, incredible gift. Thank you, Chris. Thank you, Jared. I love it.